I was lying. I was lying there in the VA hospital. Started having these dreams of flying. I was free. When I was lying there in the VA hospital, started having these dreams of flying. I was free.
If we do not hit these relatively equal highs today, guys, I will literally quit trading. Like, please.
कश्मीर तो लेके पंजाब तू पकड़े खुले मुल्तान दे तेरे काले सूट बांध के बंधन आई बनी में तेरा दी जान दे
Yo, what's up? यार भाई क्या हाल चाल मान Hell. 1 minute भाई. Give me a second. Let me see. Oh, what's up भाई कैसे हो भाई? Yo, what's going on guys? What is going on? कैसा था भाई दिन? Honestly, I did not take any trades. मेरे को काम आ गया but it was amazing short भाई. I don't know man. I don't know what this was here. Okay, I get it. Man, show 10-15 मिनट दे देते थे मार्केट को. Again, it delivered data lows taken, right? NQ पर और MNQ पर दोनों पर हुआ है deliver. And it trades all the way back into the inversion. Look at the bodies, touches it, and it's leaving. Again, I'm sticking to lower prices. मेरे को तो वॉइस में बात करना था तो डिस्कॉर्ड आ सकते हैं भाई करते हैं भाई बाद में करते हैं अभी भाई 1 घंटे के बाद I'm gonna get the hell out of here फ्राइडे है भाई, काम है. वॉल्यूम imbalance, if it can run lower, ये sell side है इधर, new day opening gap. Inefficiency. मैं करे तेरा ते जानते बड़े. Hello, what's going on? Anyway, guys, कैसा था भाई session? Anybody take any trades or anything? Anybody take any trades or anything? मैंने कहा था right, pre-market is going to deliver to these lows and it did. अब भाई ये देखो. See, daily पर we have these relative equal highs, but it doesn't wanna deliver him. Daily को हटाओ भाई, 1 minute ही देखते हैं. It depends where it wants to go. क्या है हाँ भाई, what can we do, right? मैं streams भी देख रहा था भाई. I was watching a couple of people streams and वो भी हो गया भाई stop out. But I think they re-entered. मेरे को पता नहीं भाई. This is, see again, ये NFP weeks जो होते हैं, it's fucked up man. Don't trade these weeks man. मेरा भी toughest week ही होता है. मेरा ये हफ्ता it's not the best week. मेरे हफ्ते is not the best week. I'm being honest bro. Not my best week here. क्या ही कर सकते हैं. Again, NFP weeks are fucked bro. I'm telling you, NFP weeks बहुत tough होते हैं भाई. इधर मेरे को देखना है what happens. It's gonna set the premise. Highs या lows. NFP की माँ की चूत भाई. भाई ये मैं 50 मिनट सिबी देख रहा था overnight, right? Now we came above it. फिर वो इन्वर्जन की तरह एक्ट कर कर वही भाई, that was that array that was keeping price higher as well as 9:30 opening price. ये वो माँ की चूत. सब देखो भाई, सब देखो भाई. माइकल का भाई यूट्यूब चार्ट डालो ब्रो. बहुत सारे. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम कोर कंटेंट मैन और स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मेंटोरशिप. स्टार्टिंग मेंटोरशिप, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम कोर कंटेंट. फिर 2016 वही कोर कंटेंट हुआ. Who wants to paper trade with me? क्या 1K man shoot. We go 2 contracts. इसको करना है भाई पेपर ट्रेड. I'm gonna sell short. Then oh man की चूत, ट्रेडिंग भी तो काम तो करता नहीं है कभी. सी 4 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गए. बढ़िया है भाई. यही करते रहो बहन चूत, यही करते रहो माँ की चूत. अब स्टॉप्स किधर डालूं. मेरे पास ये ब्रेक करा है मेरे पास. दिस डाउन क्लोज कैंडल, राइट? दैट हाई कम्स इन देयर, स्विंग हाई इज देयर. इमीडिएट स्टॉप आउट ना हो जाए. सबके सामने मैच. बट अगेन अटेम्प्टिंग दिस शॉर्ट, राइट? using this inversion. ये inversion है इधर का to go short, right? Anticipating कि बहनचोद काम नीचे है बाकी. भाई क्या तुम लाइव रिएक्शन दे सकते हो मेरे टेप रीडिंग में? मैंने वाईटी में वीडियो डाला है, लाइक सही किया था, कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकते हैं भाई, कर सकते हैं ब्रो, ऑफ कोर्स कर ही सकते हैं भाई. मैं देखता हूँ भाई, सेंड मी द लिंक, मैं पहले देखता हूँ उसको, आई टेल यू. हमारे पास कौन से लोज थे भाई? दीज लोज हैं, ओपन राइट देयर. सो ये हमारा ओपनिंग रेंज गैप्स है. ओपनिंग रेंज गैप लाइक टचेस द 930 ओपनिंग, comes back into the upper quadrant. अभी any return back इसको इधर fail or reach करना. You have this down close here as well as the inversion. I want the bodies to stay below the inversion. Look at the bodies here. Okay, and then give me this bearish order block and make a run lower is what I want to see. Is what I want to see. Let's check ES. ये मादरचोद क्या कर रहा है? Nice. ES के तो भाई अलग नशे है भाई. ES के तो भाई अलग नशे है भाई. This runs up the high day. Problematic on NQ. Five minute. ये सेल साइड उठा लिए राइट. सी अगेन 5 मिनट पर ये देख रहे हो रिलेटिव वीक को लोस छोड़े है, दे एज्ड इट. ठीक है, अब ES पर भी रिलेटिव वीक को लोज ना, मोस्ट लाइकली SL. ओ माय गॉड, हु इज दिस किड हियर? हु इज दिस किड इन हियर? Yeah, let's see brother. Let's see. I mean, let's see. Let's see brother. भाई फिब सेटिंग क्या दिखाओ, क्या फिब चाहिए? मेरे पास बहुत सारे फिब है, ये क्वाड्रेंट्स के फिब है. Apologies. Let's talk about losing streaks. करे बात, क्योंकि मेरा चल रहा है. I did take winners, but I don't consider them winners, man. I cannot take ऐसे दो back to back loss days, बहन जो 2 हफ्ते में माँ की चूत. ये क्या हो रहा है? I don't understand what's happening. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बहन चो. अब see, I mean, the whole game, इतना तो समझ आ गया होगा कि सबको, right? मेरे को पता है, this is the whole game. पैसे ऐसे बनते हैं, right? You have to literally submit to your risk management. Literally, हाथ जोड़कर, but just you gotta bow down to risk management, right? Because again, अगर live चल रहा है या prop firm चल रहा है, and then you're looking at that equity and you're splitting your risk, right? And अगर इतने back to back hits आ जाते हैं, for example, let's talk about funded, because I don't think many people have live in India, right? तो भाई funded ही बात करते हैं. So again, bearish order block, right? I mean, again, I want to see like LR here. I don't want to see a struggle, because देखो भाई, what the hell is this? I think this is pretty balanced areas, right? Comes out, takes out the data low, 5 minutes CB, first presented inversion, comes back again to the first presentation. Look at the bodies, leaves the first presentation. Again, ये initial inversion के below आ चुकी है, right? Again, I want to see the body stay below the consequent encroachment इधर 930 opening price. I don't want them to revisit this, because मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा चल रहा है, okay, what does smart money do? Smart money sells above the opening price, right? Smart money ने इधर opening price को यूज कर इधर short positions accumulate की, they ran it lower, ठीक है, and then takes out the sell side. फिर again, I don't know why they ran it up higher, which is permissible, ठीक है, until this high is taken ये हमारा intermediate term high है, you can still look for shorts, right, considering कि ये था maybe some kind of a stop run to a premium, leaves the first presentation there, ठीक है. अब वो आ गई है इनसाइड. सो अगेन यहाँ बैक एंड फोर्थ डिलीवरी वी हैव गॉटन इट. सो इधर जो डिलीवरी बनने वाले, अगेन इट कैन आइदर गो हायर और आइदर गो लोअर, राइट. आई वांट इट टू बी विथ स्पीड, दैट्स ऑल आई एम आस्किंग. आई डोंट वांट टू विन दिस ट्रेड कि मैं ये पेपर है, फिर भी अगर फंडेड पर होता तो माँ की छूत, हु गिव्स अ फक, राइट. बट अगेन आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट प्राइस, राइट. touches the consequent encroachment. That guy must be Gamer 070 wants higher prices, which would result in me stopping out. Most likely SL, which is fine. Totally permissible. Look at this, ये 8:30 opening के अंदर आए. So again, your side must be right here, so you can build a good premise. If I was long, I would be like, okay, opening range gap, upper quadrant, right? And then they accumulated fucking long positions at 8:30, touches it, leaves it, right? As long as this inversion is in play for me, right? We have this inefficiency SIBI. 9:30 open there. Let me take a look at ES. Making a run higher. Again, which is very problematic. I said, right? Which is problematic for NQ because ES ka te alag niche hai. It again takes out the high here. But they did left relatively equal lows. Couple of new week opening gaps available. ये सब एक न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप के अंदर कंसोलिडेट हुई है. Again, coming from a new week opening gap, we have another new week opening gap with fucking buy side. I mean, if it's here, I've literally given up on my trade. There is no way that wick is gonna hold for me, right? And I'm not gonna extend my stops because eventually एक बार stop लगा दी तो लगा दिए. And you are not gonna be like, oh, let me fucking stop, put my stops on the first presentation. Nee. You've put a risk on the table. You're gonna respect that risk. Again, I don't want to see again. ये opening range gap के ऊपर आ गई है. If it wants to go lower, suddenly नीचे आना पड़ेगा. Right, you gotta fucking displace it. Get a watch. That's that breaker I keyed my stop off of, right? Inefficiency here touches it. I don't know, it should leave it, man. No matter what I say, man, अगर stop out होने वाला तो stop out होगा. Doesn't matter. Oh, fuck. Can't even see shit, man. This here I'm watching here, okay, exactly there where my mouse is. This line here, fair value gap, gonna become this, but I would anticipate कि वो inversion ही रहे. Again, the side where the smart money is gonna attack is important. That is the most important part. ये सब lows है भाई इधर. I'm like, come on. I would be wondered if they wanted to take it higher. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे चल रहा है bro. See again, if they wanted to take it higher, हमारे पास इधर buy side पड़े daily के, right? Why didn't NFP take us higher, or why didn't the open take us higher? Why did we give it up at this wick here, daily ka wick, and then we float down? Especially like NFP, it should have used its own strength, its volatility to deliver, but it couldn't. So, and I'm like, okay, again, multiple runs were made to go higher. This is the good run, right? I agree. This is a pretty good run. This could make it. Takes out the short-term low here, comes back again. Some kind of, you gotta look at ES if there is some kind of, again, ES पर the relative equal lows है भाई. ये क्या है? Which is an SMT. You can consider that an SMT, right? See this here, these two highs and this here. मेरा भी बुरा वीक है इस वीक, गया है इस वीक. हाँ भाई, सबका भाई. I don't know man. A lot of people bro, I don't know, which is fine. I mean चलता है भाई, this is trading. इस पे अगर ऐसा है तो भाई don't consider this. Like I'm gonna consider this too. मेरा तो I've always had this कि मेरा भाई toughest days are inside days in NFP weeks. Man should माँ छुट्टी है bro, I'm telling you. It gets fucked bro. इतना tough conditions on NFP. Oh fuck's sake man. Oh fuck! I'm watching a couple streamers that have went long. Fuck. So it's again a lot of people think it's gonna go higher, man. Relative equal highs above though. I do see relative equal highs, of course. I do see relative equal highs. My whole premise is that it's not time. We're not gonna take it this week. We're not gonna take them this week. These relative equal highs above. Again, we have the relative, but again, I don't consider them relative. You zoom out, right? 15-minute. Yesterday must set the premise for you. Again, yesterday, if we give a Wednesday higher day here, right? Monday low day, Monday low low of week. I don't think there is a Monday. I don't think agar Monday low of week hona tha, if Monday was supposed to be the low of week, if this was supposed to be the low of week, right, and this was supposed to be the higher week, and today is Friday, right? So what does this do? Here, what did we do yesterday? Makes a run up higher. What did we do overnight? Makes a run up higher. Anticipating कि बैंच ये range के अंदर ही stuck रहेगा throughout the whole fucking the day, Friday. I'm anticipating कि ये high बन चुका है, right? And you could probably given a TGIF, right? Because अगर if you're given a TGIF, ये हुआ हमारा higher week, ये हुआ हमारा low week. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in TGIF. हम डालेंगे 0.2, हम डालेंगे 0.3. We're gonna cut everything out. ठीक है? 0.2 or 0.3. I'm gonna extend it and I'm gonna mark it there. No, it was a bullish week, right? So the opposite market. Fuck. Like this, right? So these two, let's give it pink. These two pink lines are TGIF, right? Straight into a 1 minute. Okay. 20% तो हो गई reach इधर, considering that's her higher week, right? 20% reach होने के बाद it makes an attempt to go higher. Fail करती है. Again, the more opening sets the premise for lower prices. By taking the data lows इधर, ये run makes it higher. Okay, I know a lot of profitable short positions got stopped out. ठीक है? I think we'll go higher on Monday. They can't take all these lows which are intact. Give me a second. I was explaining something. So, TGIF का 30% किधर है? इधर. ठीक है? 5 minute पर if I zoom in, 30% के पास what do you see? What do you see on the 1 minute? What do you see? End-dog के पास ये LTV को lows दिख रहे हैं. Can you see them? That's what my eyes jumps to. There is a reason I'm shorting this. There is a reason I'm still expecting lower prices when every single person on the fucking world is expecting higher prices. I could be wrong. I'm not saying कि, I'm going to get not stopped out. No, that's not the whole point. That's not the whole point. The point is TGIF 20% reach होने के बाद it tries to go higher. Fails it. This was that run where it should have gone higher. Fails it. Morning sets the premise कि okay, we are going to go lower. Anticipating कि भाई, ये high of week, this is the high of week that was given on Wednesday, right? Wednesday is higher week. Here, this is that higher week. 10 a.m. opens, goes lower, takes out the data lows and all that shit. Okay, daily volume imbalance के अंदर जाती है. Again, let's zoom into a daily. मैं अगर daily पर दिखाऊं, you know what I'll do? Let me show you. Yeah, daily इधर ही दिखाते हैं. Again, why did we form a swing high here? अगर ऐसे swing high form होती है इधर, which was after tapping into that daily BC. Daily BC पर tap होने के, if they were really bullish, no swing high should have been here. They should have tapped it. इसी दिन पर they would have ran it up low higher. Then swing high नहीं बनता इधर. Swing high बना. ये candle बंद होने के बाद swing high बना. So it's pretty obvious on the 4th day that we're gonna freaking retrace. Right? that's the whole idea कि आज shorts क्यों थे, like, you know, why were you looking, why were people looking for shorts? Again, these data lows तक ये जो open पर जो short मिला था, that's your trade right there. If you're trading the opening like how I teach, that's your trade right there. But again, either you might have gotten stopped out here. Again, you would have probably re-entered, or you would have just stopped trading for the day. Coming back to your position. The price is in your unicorn of market maker. I think we will go higher on Monday. They can't take all these lows which are in Dell. Oh yeah, it's a pretty good market maker buy model. I get it. But who wants a fucking smart money reversal right here, man? It would be so nice if they could reverse the bloody markets, leaving these highs intact and fucking wreck these long positions. But everybody wants high again. Depends, bro. Depends. इतनी जल्दी switch कैसे हो गई? How the fuck did NQ switch? What the fuck happened? हुआ क्या भाई? What happened in the world that when we were expecting कि बैंचो थोड़ा और नीचे जाए into these inefficiencies, into the previous yearly high, either why didn't it? Why didn't it? See a lot of premise in the background going on. Yeah, that's the drill, bro. That's the drill. That is the drill. Was break even today? Can't think too much. We will be autistic. We'll be autistic and drunk for the weekend. Exactly. Drink. Hit that fucking za. Enjoy. Chill out. There's always another open. It's fine. Oh yeah, relative equal highs above were here when the guy was saying, "Oh fuck." These relative equal highs, eh? Oh, true, bro. As well as this too. Everybody, I saw a couple of videos of guys like dodgy and all. He was like, "Oh fuck, I would be so surprised if they don't run these highs." He's like, "I'll quit trading if they don't run these highs. I'll quit trading if they don't run these highs." Coming back about the inversion for what? I don't fucking understand. Why does it? See, it again, here I was like, fuck, I'm gonna get stopped. It moves into my favor, right? Comes back again. Bad conditions, bro. Bad freaking conditions. ये तो दिखाई दिया होगा. The first 30 minutes, the first 20 minutes tipped you off that, oh, we're fucked. If you missed this, like after this forms, you trying to catch another trade is just fucking naive. I would consider the market has moved. This is just me having fun, bro. This is just me having fun. Taking a look at ES. Okay. ES is taking out this high. ES is some kind of ES is on steroids, bro. I'm telling you, that's a stop out right there. ES is on fucking gear, bro. ES is on gear. Look at how explosive ES is. Considering NQ, okay, weak ass, bitch ass NQ. See this short term high breached on NQ. Did my stops trigger? Oh, my stops didn't trigger. ये क्या चल रहा है भाई? What is happening? This high उस पर तो दिखा नहीं है बहन, उस MNQ पर तो ली नहीं है. I think so it did. Bro, that is the point. What does ICT say? When it's NFP, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday AM session तक बंद कर दो. Don't suffer on Wednesday and Thursday. I'm telling you. Tuesday बस हो गया. Monday and Tuesday you trade. You're done for the week. You don't trade. ICT, yes, we've already said this. But again, everybody wants to trade NFP now. And I have no idea why I'm trading NFP as well. The NFP is hard as fuck, bro. But usually 8:30 ke baad, it was fine. Again, I get it. If this was the only shot I'm saying. This was the only shot that you could have caught. Probably this long here. But again, I don't know if you're holding. I don't know if people are holding this till these highs. Right? Institution order for fucking entry drill. Right there. छोड़ो भाई, mood तो खराब हो गया. But anyways, what I predicted price that it's a win. Again, it is a win. It is. क्या ही करे भाई? It's okay. It's not. I know. I get it. If you enter the week red, it's not the best thing. Going into the weekend, man, चो देख loss लेते हुए now you're fucking thinking about that fucking loss, and you're like, man, ये सब करते हैं भाई. That's what I'm saying. ये सब करो, but be aware of it. I'm saying कि चल ये होता है. It's okay. It's fine. Again, there's always another Monday open. But then when Monday opens up, use these 2 days. कि bench जब Monday opens up, when you trade on the open, you don't have all this shit in your head. Oh fuck, I got stopped out on Friday. The week was bad. The week was in drawdown. No, it's a fresh week. It's okay. That's trading. Hello. Hello. Stop out there. Trading you never triggers it, eh? There we go. It triggered right there. Bro, I don't backtest, man. I don't. If by backtesting, brother, you mean replay mode, oh, bro, I don't do it. I don't do it. That is not backtesting, brother. That is fucked up. That is you getting good dopamine hits. That ain't backtesting. I don't even backtest, bro. I'm saying honestly. Initially, I used to go back and I used to read the data. I used to look at the high time frame, blah blah blah. Come back to 1 minute. Look at what the opening date, for example. See again. If I was backtesting, I would for hindsight read it. That was what I would call it. I would read it on hindsight. Like, okay, yesterday opens up, trades into the daily basis consequent encroachment. Tuesday's first presentation again comes back above the first presentation here. You can buy that there. Okay, अब मैं ऐसे अगर जो बैक टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ और भी like okay, I'm gonna first mark the first presentation. ये सब है और हमारे पास equal highs पड़े इधर, right? I would mark them with my line. I'm gonna be like, okay, I see minor buy side here. Right, these are clean highs. Okay, तो मेरे दिमाग में है कि okay, मेरे दिमाग में है भाई, okay, I have these highs here, ये सब है. Right, now I can pick. मैं इधर ही before the market opens, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि long हो जाने वाले, I'm gonna pick कि मैं कहाँ exit करूँगा, इधर या इधर या something if you want a full pool, partial ले लेना है तो पूरा hold करो इधर तक. That's your ideal exit, because ये you decided before this shit was formed. ये सब form होने के पहले you're like, okay, when I get longs, this is my exit. The reason for longing is because you predicted कि eventually इसके through it's gonna pierce. I don't think so, bro. Honestly, I don't think buy side spending. I think they're gonna run it lower, man. I still think they're gonna fucking run it lower. But ES is again flips you the fucking shit because ES is switched bullish. So again, I get it if they want to run it up higher. But again, if I was trading, I wouldn't look for longs. Is what I'm trying to say. You could look for longs because again, if that's what's happening in your head, yeah, go ahead. Nobody's stopping you, right? Nobody's trying to lick anybody's ass here. First presentation, man. It's my last defense here for my idea. My last defense. I still think, bro, they're gonna fucking take these lows, man. Or if they leave it for next week, Monday, we could get these lows. Aim for a market maker buy model throughout the week. A lot of people. Stream bhi dekh raha tha. I was watching you. I usually react to who? Tyler, right? Tyler's a good guy, man. He's long, honestly. Fuck. He cut it, bro. Yeah. Buy side via bodies / consolidation range high. Maybe sure. Yep. You get the consolidation high. You're scalping. But again, I would call this fucking risky as hell, bro. I would call it risky as fuck. Be naive if somebody's pushing here. The people that got stopped out in the morning, if you're still trading here, after getting stopped out here, very bad idea. Just stop out हो गए भाई, बंद करो, bro. If it's your model, 29,448. It's 29,448. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, bro. But again, I don't know, man. जो मेरे को नहीं पता भाई. If I was them, I would run it lower. Keeping these high intact, like I would run them lower. If you're bullish, okay, this can act as a reclaimed BC. And we're gonna, ये जो हम sell model पर use किए थे wick, right? That exact wick is gonna get used here to send price into this high, and this high. And we have these wick, this daily wicks here and its quadrants into this daily buy side. TGIF 20 reached. Tell me, guys, क्या किया भाई? How was your trade? Okay, Tesla got stopped out in the morning, right? What was Tesla's trade, भाई? कहाँ sell किया? Where did you sell? Here or here? Two sells I can see in the opening. One is under the first presentation up close पर sell करो. The next one is 950 macro पर ये FEG को sell करो. The rejection block there holds price. Whatever that block is, vacuum बुला लो, कुछ भी बुला लो. Live streams are humiliation ritual, I'm telling you. The day you're right, it's pretty good, right? Nobody says anything, man. But yeah, fucking is there like, oh, this guy knows some shit that we don't know, right? But the day I'm wrong, the day I'm wrong. Consequent encroachment, okay. Yo, if it can just fucking again, if it depends, bro. देखने से तो buy, it's a fair value gap. You should literally send price higher. Here, buddy, I'm being like contrarian के भी man चौथ contrarian, बहुत extreme edge पकड़ना and trading with them. 1050 macro. Yes, bitch ass. Okay, dollar has finally decided to बहनचोद हम जाएंगे नीचे, which makes a good premise for NQ visiting these new week opening gap as well as ये क्या है? The hell is that? Let's find that out. Oh, nice. This daily SIBI clustering of new week opening gaps at relative equal highs. Again, that's your draw on liquidity, right? But again, if you want to trade inside the ranges, you want to fucking trade inside the ranges. Bro, there must be lectures, bro. There must be cross market. Just type it out. ICT cross market relationship, something like that. Something will pop up from core content or something. I don't specifically remember. But वो करता है भाई. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to look to the left. कि भाई हमारे पास है क्या? What can I use on the left side? कि मेरा short का idea को थोड़ा और use कर. I see first presentation. I see that Wix consequent encroachment getting respected. And I see a minor buy side. तो minor buy side अगर उठाना चाहती है तो उठा लो. No worries. higher day भी है हमारे पास. Ran up to 2 hour but was aiming for 2.5 hour for partial, but it's okay. You said it, boy. You said it, brother. Yeah. It's so gloomy outside, right? Again, if somebody lives in Canada, bancho ye kya? Barish warish, bancho. 3 बजे. Okay, buy side taken. Oh, give me that turtle soup, nigga. While Dixie trades up into. Fuck, I hope no black people are in the chat. I hope no black people are in the chat, bro. 11:11 is the time. Dixie boy, Dixie boy. Let's take a close look at Dixie, right? Take a close look at Dixie. Dixie comes below this. ऐसा करते. Dixie comes below this BC here. We're going to use that inversion, okay? Consequent encroachment respected there. Sell side here at the consequent encroachment of this imbalance, right? Sell side here as well. मैंने ये wick लिया है, right? I've marked its quadrants. I'm going to turn it blue, ठीक है? And I'm going to drop it into a 15-minute. Okay? Inversion को leave किया, comes into that big inefficiency, ठीक है? Inefficiency 75 तक आई. कॉन्सिक्वेंट इंक्रोचमेंट इधर है, सेल साइड है कॉन्सिक्वेंट इंक्रोचमेंट के पास, ठीक है? वो हम जो ब्लू लाइन दिख रहे हैं, दैट्स दैट विक. तो इन आइडियली वी वांट टू यूज दैट विक एज रेजिस्टेंस टू सेंड प्राइस लोअर अगर हम बेयरिश है, which is what we are. But if market wants to reverse here, right? 60 minute यहाँ relative equal highs है. Again, ये देख रहे हो, टेक्स द सेल साइड इधर, सेल साइड उठाई है इधर, विच वाज आर संडे का लो, जो अर्ली लॉन्ग करके बैठे थे डिक्सी पर, उनको उठाया. दिस इज आर न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप. तो हम न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप को भी मार्क करते ऐसे. ऑलराइट, सो ओके, न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप हमारे अबव है, इट्स अबव अस 15. ड्रॉप इट इनटू 15. सी हाउ इट डज नॉट कम इनटू न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप. यहाँ क्या है, न्यू डे ओपनिंग गैप है इधर. ओह माय गॉड, ये न्यू डे ओपनिंग गैप है या वॉल, ये क्या है भाई? वो आई डोंट नो, सम का इट्स अ न्यू डे ओपनिंग गैप आई गेस. दैट्स अ न्यू डे ओपनिंग गैप. इट्स मेकिंग अ रन लोअर. ओके ठीक, अब ठीक है. इट्स अटेम्प्टिंग लोअर जाए. ये है 15 मिनट इनएफिशिएंसी. 5 मिनट. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ऑन? ओके अगेन यहाँ मेरे को चाहिए बाय कि हायर जाए, बिकॉज ये क्या हो रहा है इधर, नहीं तो इट्स डिकपल्ड. Do you have any fixed RR or holding trades to the liquidity levels? Yeah, fixed RR वाला नहीं. I try to exit at a good place. कि मेरे को लगे कि भाई चलो एग्जिट होने वाले, एग्जिट कर दे बस. वो ऐसा, इट्स ऑल डिसाइडेड प्री मार्केट ही भाई. डिसाइड करना, एक पिक करो. either you're gonna, again थोड़ा इधर उधर होता है. again if it's like, oh you are aiming for 2 hour लेकिन 1.8 hour ही मिल रहा है because your entry got fucked up, now are you gonna risk those couple of ticks for that many handles? No, you're gonna fucking exit it. इतना बच्चों की तरह नहीं act करते. it's money you're playing here with. इमेज इनएफिशिएंसी के अंदर आई. 5 मिनट comes into this. 5 मिनट के अंदर देख रहे हो, we have this inversion lying with the 15 minute BC. यहाँ एक fair value gap भी है छोटा सा. If Dixie wants to come back into this new week opening gap, rough call. 1 minute तो Dixie का मैं देखता नहीं हूँ. और क्या कर सकते हैं हम, ये 8:30 का कैंडल ले सकते हैं. We can mark इसके ओके लेट्स डू वन थिंग, ये पूरा इम्बैलेंस को उठाते हैं, ठीक है, 830 का हम उसको वाइट मार्क करते हैं सो यू कैन सी दैट, और इसके ऊपर हम मार्क करते हैं भाई क्वाड्रेंट्स, ओके। दिस वन राइट देयर, ठीक है। एंटिसिपेटिंग वी आर बुलिश, इसके अंदर आई, इधर आई, फेल्स टू टच देयर, ठीक है, कम्स बैक हियर, अपर क्वाड्रेंट के ऊपर आई, ठीक है। अगर हम बुलिश है, आई वांट टू सी प्राइस इसके और इसके हाफ ऑक्टेन पर रहे, बट अगर हम बेयरिश है विच वुड स्विच NQ बुलिश, राइट, तो मैं डिक्सी पर we would be like okay fails to, ये हमारे लिए weakness in UD opening gap तक गई, and then again make a run lower, leave this inefficiency, I'm trying to teach you tape reading, okay, leave this inefficiency, touch it again, and then make a run towards sell side, which will make NQ bullish. Dixie is heavy, short term low, inefficiency, expecting LR lower, Dixie, yep, crazy PA, I understand bro, crazy PA man. Time is it 11:20? It's always suspect when they don't take this low here, because that was a DOL when the outlook was posted on Dixie, that ये inefficiency के half के अंदर जो sell side pool है उसको उठाना है, inversion की तरह यूज करेंगे इसको, we're gonna send price lower, तब ये जब कैंडल मंडे को जब उठाती नहीं है इसको, it's and it trades up higher, the rest of the week you can anticipate कि इसके अंदर गिरे. NQ should switch bullish. Dixie should attack the sell side. That's our buy side, right? 30,094. Yeah. That is our buy side. 30,094. Yes, must be roofing, bro. Going through the roofs. Yes का देख ही लो भाई. Yes is on fucking all time highs, bro. Yes देखो भाई. Yes ने perfectly sell side को उठाया. Daily basis. Consolidates here. Takes a sell side. ठीक है. Again goes lower. Again इधर से buy से उठाई. But again इधर relative equal lows मादर चोद ने फिर से relative equal lows here. Okay, nothing here. No fair value gaps here. So if the run is higher, speed, because there's nothing for them to hold price. Oh, 60-minute inefficiency. Nice. 60-minute breaker. It's up into the breaker. We should see speed on NASDAQ. And buy side, profitable short positions there. Yo, Avara Pun 2 is coming out. Who's excited for that? Who is excited for that? NQ in terms of opening range gaps इतने सारे पड़े हैं. Relative equal highs 1, 2, 3. Relative equal highs. With that speed. So this acted as a reclaimed busy to go higher. Buy side here as well. if the wick here. They didn't close the gap. It's gonna drop during market on close. Yeah, it could. We're gonna end this shit in 3 minutes, guys. 11:30. Either it's gonna be 11:30. I'm gonna fucking end this. Final buy side. Final buy side. It's way better on ES. ES पर ऐसा करना है कि okay, you're in a bull market. Bang, you're only gonna look for longs. For ये daily basis है. You're gonna look for amazing longs. इधर. Change in state delivery. You could have entered somewhere around here. Let's end this shit here. Ooh, 8,000 on ES is here. Ooh. What are others doing? क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? Wait. There we go. Speed. Bang on. Whoever is in the long positions are fucking making money, man. Whoever longs from the volume imbalance, they must be rich. Especially this guy, this gamer here. Oh, don't tell me Dixie got fucking dropped hard. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Let's play some music and get the fuck out of here, man. हो गया बेंच आज का. Play some music and get the fuck out of here. If I was the market maker, I would dump this low to NQ towards previous monthly low on a single day. Oh yeah, let's talking about monthly time frame. Monthly, but the band should be eaten through this Wix conjugate encroachment here on a daily. Yo, the guy says take a dump first. Crazy. Crazy हो गया भाई ये तो ये क्या हो रहा है What the fuck? बीफ चल रहा है भाई कमेंट सेक्शन में क्रेजी हो गया Yo, this guy is fucking net long. ये भाई बंदा long करके बैठा है bro. This guy gamer 070. He has fucking bottom ticked and he's freaking on a swing position. He's long since last night, yesterday morning. कि मैं चोद नहीं मैं कि चोद सबकी माँ की चोद कोई नहीं जाएगा नीचे नीचे जाएगा नहीं आज. It's gonna go higher. आजा देता हूँ डम गेमर भाई आजा. The hell. Dixie's climbing higher into this inefficiency. NQ has come back into this inversion. Man, चो ये कर लो पहले. कौन सा inversion है दिखाओ. एक new week opening gap and ये वाला. Let's see how that goes. If Pancho they take it down, bro, if they can somehow manage to hit these today, I would be so proud of myself. And if they don't manage to hit those lows, I would be proud that you know I didn't push buttons and fucking lose on my real account trying to predict कि Pancho कहाँ जाने वाला है on a tricky day like this. So I'd be proud either ways. Okay, ES is coming from an early breaker. ES per we have relatively equal lows here. जैसा गया है वैसा है. Unbelievable. कुछ भी करता है man. Look at the bodies respecting the 15-minute busy. Monday को करेगा. Monday नहीं भाई आज करेगा भाई. Do it today man. Do it today. Gotta wreck them longs man. Gotta wreck these long positions. Anyway guys, I think we're done for the day, right? Chalo bhai, get the fuck out of here. Enjoy your weekend, boys. Kya hai bhai, what are you gonna do? I know one guy is gonna friggin' smoke weed, I think no, drink, and be autistic. What are you gonna do? What are you guys gonna do? Copyright मिलेगा भाई ये गाने पर.
Cause all I am is a man. I want the world in my hands.
I'm telling you, okay? Before my stream ends, 30% is here, sell side is here, right? Okay.
California with my toes in the sand. Got the sleeves on my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Heads in the clouds, but my gravity's inner. Touching my neck. sweater. Cause I ain't dissing on nobody's beat, I'm vibing on the beat. Honestly, I'm just trying to be, I just gotta be, trying to get over on anything she telling